Hi everyone, welcome to your distance learning for AP Physics 1. I will be posting some welcome videos like this for different assignments, and so you'll get used to seeing my face in this way. And we'll also be connecting through Zoom and through your various assignments. So this is just to kind of get you started, and I want you to look around on PowerSchool and just kind of see what's going on with the schedule and the different ways that you'll be reaching out to me. We'll talk about all of this in our first Zoom meeting. And so the main thing you have to do at the beginning is just join our class at the start of the block in Zoom, and we'll go through all this. Just to give you a little preview though, I will be available during our class block, either through Zoom or through email. And then you'll be working on assignments just on your own, and you can either do it during that block, um, or if we don't have any scheduled meetings, then you can do it at any time and it'll be due before the next block. I will also have office hours during those slotted times, and you can sign up for slot on my calendar. Those will just be one-on-one conversations. Um, and then also always available on email. It might take me some time to respond, so just make sure you're not responding at the very last minute, so that gives you an idea of like kind of getting started on your assignments ahead of time. This will be a learning experience for everybody, and so there'll be some kinks to work out, but we will be with each other working through it together. And I look forward to seeing all your faces in our first Zoom meeting.